Step into the stunning Scandinavian mid-century modern tiny home on wheels. Painted in a soft beige color with sleek black accents, this charming home blends minimalist elegance with rustic warmth. The cozy exterior is complemented by a small lush garden, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Set against a beautiful natural backdrop of trees and a clear blue sky, this tiny home is the perfect escape into modern simplicity. Let's take a closer look inside. Welcome to this beautifully designed Scandinavian mid-century modern tiny home on wheels where minimalism meets warmth and functionality. With an interior painted in soft beige tones complemented by sleek black accents, this tiny home offers a perfect balance of coziness and modern aesthetic, designed for both comfort and efficiency. Every element in this home is carefully planned to maximize space, light, and usability. Okay, let's take a tour inside the charming and well-lit tiny home and discover what makes it such a unique and inviting space. As you step inside, you are immediately welcoming by the soft beige wall and natural wooden texture, creating a calm and airy atmosphere. The black accent throughout the space add a modern touch, making the home feel both stylish and timeless. Despite its compact size, the clever layout ensures that every inch is used efficiently and elegantly. The combination of large window and warm lighting makes the home feel bright, open, and incredibly cozy no matter the time of day. Okay, then the kitchen in this tiny home is designed to be both practical and aesthetically pleasing, featuring modern minimalism cabinetry in a beige and black. It offers ample storage for essential while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. A sleek black countertop provides plenty of workspace for meal prep. The built-in stove and sink are seamlessly integrated into the design. Open wooden shelf and add a rustic touch while keeping everyday items within easy reach. A small yet functional fridge is neatly tucked away to save space. The large window above the kitchen counter brings in natural light, making the space feel bright and welcoming while offering a beautiful outdoor view. Adjacent to the kitchen, the small but inviting lounge area features a modern Scandinavian style sofa that perfectly fits the home's aesthetic. It's the perfect spot to relax, read a book, or enjoy a cup of coffee while soaking in the peaceful surroundings. The built-in dining table provides a versatile space for meals, work, or creative projects. Designed with space-saving functionality in mind, it seamlessly blends into the interior, offering both style and practicality. In a home this compact, every details matter, and the built-in work table is a prime example of smart Scandinavian design. Whether you are working from home, studying, or journaling, this small yet efficiency workspace ensure you have a dedicated area without taking up unnecessary space. Paired with a comfortable wooden chair and soft lighting, this workspace is a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic. One of the standout features of this home is the loft bed area. Accessible by a modern space-saving staircase, this elevated sleeping space creates a sense of privacy and separation, making the tiny home feel more spacious and organized. The cozy bed setup features soft, natural tone bedding that enhance the Scandinavian aesthetic. Built-in shelving and storage compartment maximize space while keeping everything neatly organized. The strategic placement of lighting ensure a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for unwinding after a long day. One of the most remarkable aspects of this tiny home is how well lit it is. Thanks to the large window and strategically placed artificial lighting, the sunlight streams in during the day, creating a refreshing and airy atmosphere, while at night, soft, warm lighting enhance the cozy vibe. The combination of natural and artificial light plays a huge role in making this tiny home feels open, inviting, and much larger than it actually is. This Scandinavian mid-century modern tiny home on wheels is a testament to how small space can be both functional and beautiful. From its cozy yet stylish living area to the practical and modern kitchen, loft bed, and built-in workspace, every detail is designed with comfort, efficiency, and aesthetic in mind. With soft beige wall accents by sleek black details, this bathroom offers a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. It is well lit and thoughtfully arranged, making it feel spacious, inviting, and comfortable. Let's take a closer look at the details that make this tiny home bathroom a masterpiece of modern design. The moment you step inside, you are welcoming by a soothing color scheme of soft beige and black accents, giving the bathroom a warm, inviting feel. The beige tones add a sense of calm and relaxation, while the black details provide a bold, modern contrast, enhancing the room's sophisticated charm. Despite being in a tiny home, this bathroom feels incredibly comfortable and stylish, thanks to its carefully chosen colors and texture that reflect Scandinavian minimalism. To the left, you will find a modern and compact toilet, perfectly placed to optimize the space. Above it, there's a wall-mounted toilet paper holder and a small shelf for essential items, ensuring everything is within easy reach without feeling cluttered. The sleek black trim around the toilet are complements for overall modern aesthetic. A soft, warm light above provides a cozy ambience, making this small space feel even more inviting. The exhaust fan, seamlessly integrated into the ceiling, ensure proper ventilation, keeping the bathroom fresh and free from humidity buildup. Next to the toilet, you will find a beautifully designed shower cabin enclosed with clear glass panels that enhance the feeling of openness. This modern shower setup includes a rainfall shower head for luxurious and spa-like experience, a handheld shower head for added convenience and flexibility, black metal fixture that match the bathroom's aesthetic and add a touch of elegance, subtle wall shelves to neatly store shampoo, soap, and other shower essential. The soft beige wall tiles inside the shower area create a clean and fresh look, while the well-lit space ensure a bright and comfortable experience. Opposite the shower, you will find a compact yet functional vanity area featuring a light colored stone and concrete sink that blends perfectly with the Scandinavian themes, a sleek rectangular mirror with soft, warm lighting, making it ideal for daily grooming and self-care. A small wooden shelf beneath the mirror, perfect for storing toiletries or adding a decorative touch. A black faucet matching the shower and toilet fixture, completing the elegant modern look. The placement of the mirror and lighting creates a bright and refreshing ambience, making the bathroom feel larger and more open. One of the best features of this bathroom is its large window, which allows natural light to flood the space during the day, whether you are getting ready in the morning or winding down in the evening. The combination of natural and artificial lighting ensures a bright, relaxing atmosphere. The soft beige and black accent are enhanced by the changing light throughout the day. The window offers a serene view, making this bathroom feel more connected to nature. At night, the well-placed artificial lighting ensures that the room stays warm and inviting, create, creating a cozy and luxurious environment. This Scandinavian mid-century modern bathroom is perfect example of how tiny space can be both functional and stylish. From its warm, inviting color palette to the thoughtfully placed fixturing and lighting, every detail is designed to create a comfortable, elegant, and efficient space. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I've written with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas, inspiration, and about the tiny home interior. So, would you love to live in a tiny home like this? Okay, let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video or this channel to others. And thanks for watching until the end. And just wait for my next video and have a good day.